Two suspects are charged with felony battery on law enforcement. First reality television star and actress Joselene Hernandez is kicked out of a VIP suite at a boxing event.
Now you going. I got a hand.
The backstory to this arrest is very chaotic, stemming from a boxing match between Floyd Mayweather and John Gotti. This fight was ultimately called off in the 6th round due to unsportsmanlike conduct, and things spiraled out of control from there with large-scale fights breaking out, but the fighting went beyond Floyd Mayweather and John Gotti III that night, as TV personality and rapper Joselene Hernandez got into a fight with another rapper. Big Lex Joselene Hernandez had been booked to perform at the boxing event earlier in the night, and can be seen backstage during the fight. It is unclear what prompted Joselene Hernandez to start a boxing match of her own that night, but security was nowhere to be found during the altercation until police eventually showed up, where things continued to descend into chaos.
Hey, y'all gonna kill me? Y'all want to kill me, don't y'all? Y'all want to kill me? You.
I got. Relax.
You ass. You gay. You gay. If you kill me, you all gonna die.
Nobody wants to hurt you.
If you kill me, Cracker, you're going down first.
Nobody wants to hurt you. I'm not a cracker.
You're going down first.
I'm not a
Cracker,
cracker.
you're going down first, Cracker.
All right.
Oh, my mother.
All right, get her up. Get her up.
Toditos se van a morir.
Get her up.
Toditos ustedes se van a morir. Toditos se van a morir. Toditos y tú vas a ser el primero.
Come on, let's go. We're gonna ride forward now.
Hey, let's go.
Let's go.
To the right. To the right. To the right.
Garage?
Garage.
Go.
Let go. Let go. All the flashes, they're going down first. All the flashes are going down first.
We're going to the
All
garage.
that goes down.
Hey.
I'm not letting you. Little bitch.
This way, this
You
way.
got
Let's go.
and your cracker boys can tell you what to do. You should be ashamed of yourself. You kill me. You f***ing ass. They enslaved your mother. They enslaved your mother. They thought you.
Hey. We're gonna get more charges.
Don't you?
Stop kicking. Stop kicking. Stop kicking.
Let go.
Stop resisting. Stop
I'm
kicking.
gonna. Let go.
Stop. Hey.
Let go.
Cut it out. Stop. Cut it out.
Hey. Let go of me right now. Hey.
Are you gonna stop
You
kicking?
look at me.
Are you gonna stop
Yes, you let go of me.
you gonna stop
You
kicking?
tell them to let go of me right now.
stop kicking?
Yes.
The ball's like a person.
Hey.
Stop kicking.
Listen,
Stop kicking.
stop
Stop kicking.
Stop it.
Hey.
Look at me. Look at me. I
gave you the
Don't
chance, so
look
let's
at me.
walk.
No.
Hey. Walk.
Hey.
Go. That's it. Done.
Look at me.
She got the option. We're done.
Hey.
Let's go.
Let go. They say I should have lady.
Hey. Go. Just get her up and go. I got it. Don't worry about it. Go. Go.
Let go of me. They say you should your mama. They say you should your mama. Let go of me. Right now.
I am careful here now.
Hey.
They're very interested in Palm. Here, just walk beside him.
All right.
Hold your traffic. I don't care who you get me.
Heads up. Oh, that was fun.
Touch me, Cracker. Touch me, Cracker.
Get in.
Dirty ass Cracker.
All right, so definitely 30. Bat Leo. Hell yeah. Multiple times. We'll figure that out in a minute.
Despite being famous and having a successful career in music and television, Hernandez learns that she is not above the law. Joselene was charged with battery trespassing, and resisting officer with violence court records indicate she pleaded non-contest as part of a plea deal, and was sentenced to probation as of the time of publication. Her probation has been terminated due to early completion of the requirements.
Got a call about you being in a dumpster, bro.
Yeah.
Why are you in a dumpster?
I don't know, I was in a dark place, I guess.
A dark place?
Yeah.
Why'd you come to Florida?
Visit a friend.
All right. You have anything on you that's going to get you in any kind of trouble or anything like that? All right. Put your hands behind your head. You're not in any trouble right now. We're just going to detain you for a minute, man. I want to figure out what's really going on here, okay?
Okay.
You're not making a whole lot of sense.
I might need to go to the hospital.
Why do you think you would need to go to the hospital? Besides walking around barefoot at 2 in the morning.
Yeah, my head hurts.
Your head hurts?
Yeah.
Didn't you tell another officer that you fell off a motorcycle? Why are you acting so weird?
I'm sorry.
Did you do anything wrong?
No.
Okay, so why are you being weird with us? I'm gonna check your fingerprints. If you're lying to us, we're gonna find out. So is that your name?
Yeah.
What's the pause?
I don't know.
Stand him up and bring him in. Right. Okay, don't move your fingers. Now he's like curling his fingers. What are you doing? Loosen your fingers up. Stop curling them. Hey!
You're going to get this place on.
That worked out real good. Now you're going to jail.
Don't do that. I see you're going to go to the hospital. So now there's something you're hiding. 100%.
Keep him here.
Yeah, I got you.
You're going to get
And he's like curling his fingers so that we can't get it. Do not move your finger. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Stop moving your finger. I need the whole like.
It's gonna hurt. Keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it.
Okay.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, you're going to be sorry if you try to run again, because the next time you listen to me, the next time you try to go, you're going to get the dog. Do you understand? I'm not doing this anymore. I'm too old for this. I'm not doing this.
Yeah. Just bring your car real quick.
If you would have just told us your real name,
Now we have.
we wouldn't have to go through any of this.
Yeah. Why'd you try to run?
I don't know.
What'd you take today?
A lot of PVC.
Stop moving.
Come on, dude.
What did I tell you?
Why are you doing this? Put him in his John Doe. Scream. Hey, dude, listen to me. Don't do this. Don't flex. Stay down. What are you doing, dude?
You not listening to directions?
You're not listening. Now you need to listen. Listen to me. The next time you try to run, dude, you spit on me. Spit on me again, and I'm gonna spray you. You understand?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna pump you full of spray.
Fight it. Oh,
I'm sorry.
spit on me, you're gonna get punched, alright?
I'm too high. Please.
Well, good. Stand up and get in the car. We'll help you.
Oh, okay. I'll stand up. Let me in the car.
Get in the car.
Get it searched, right?
No.
That's how you get your ass kicked in the morning.
Yeah.
Right?
No. That's all it is.
Because you're the one that called,
I
right?
can show you the videos.
Perfect. I was just.
Yeah, it was just the most bizarre ass thing. Some young man had been here around 9 a.m. in the back. History, I have a little video camera back there. When it rings more than once in the middle of the night,
Yeah.
you know there's something bizarre.
Is he inside the trash can right
Yeah,
now? Hiding inside the trash can.
yeah, he was, and this is me finding him. And he's got a nice tattoo in the back,
There we go.
which is at the end.
What did he say?
He didn't say anything, but then when I talked to him, he was asking for food. Then he was just, but it was like he didn't understand English, or
Is there
I
any way you
didn't
can
try
export
Spanish, huh?
that video and send
Yeah.
it to me?
Which one do you want? We
The
can
one of him
send-
going into the trash and the one of you finding him in the trash.
Yeah, it was just the most bizarre thing, I'm telling you.
And aside from him asking for food, did he say anything else? Did you
That's
give him-
it. Okay, so I can send it to you. See there?
Next time, just call us. We'll open the trash for you.
Yeah, no, I
Don't
called,
risk
but it was like, I have no idea. But it's not every day you have somebody in your trash can.
Hey, I'm gonna take you out. You try spitting on me, try doing anything, I will f you up. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna split you down your face. Let's go. Come here. Take a seat here.
Stop it.
What I tell you?
Don't even try it.
Where would you go with handcuffs, dude? Like, think about it.
It's a medical, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you got a room for them?
Is he a med clearance or banker? Med clearance.
Space, I got an open gate and audible alarm going off.
What are you doing? Stop moving. How are you gonna tell me you're not moving? Stop it! Stop it! I will spray you. What are you doing?
No, there's not one.
Stop moving the handcuffs. What are you doing with the bracelet?
What do you mean?
kicking the door now. 8:15 is trying to remove his cuffs. He has a coin, and he's trying to take the cuffs off, and he's kicking the door. So put gloves on. He's bleeding. We're gonna have to take the cuffs off and put them back on because he has a coin in it. I don't know where he got it from. This guy, every time we've opened the car, he's tried to run. Now I think he got something from like his necklace and is putting it in the handcuffs, and I don't know if he undid them or not. No, I'm done with him. It's just, well, we put him in the hospital, and now I think he got something, and I saw putting something in the handcuffs. He tried to run from us every time.
Okay.
I just want to make sure there's nothing in the handcuffs. There's something under him.
Let me see.
Where's the coin?
Right there.
Yeah, see?
What are you doing, man?
They're also working
So what are you doing? All right.
for someone trying to have
Step out. You try to run from me.
Make sure he doesn't run.
Felipe was charged with battery on an officer loitering or prowling, resisting without violence and possession of handcuff key in custody. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.